What's up, guys? Welcome to part 2 of my northern Thailand road trip. If you didn't watch the first video, make sure you go check that out. We drove from Bangkok to Chiang Mai and went to a Cars and Caffeine meet, which was pretty awesome. But I'm especially excited for today's video because today I am going on one of the most epic drives in my life through the northern mountains of Thailand. So basically, here in Chiang Mai, we're starting here in Chiang Mai and we're going to Pai, which is about 2.5 hours or about 140 kilometers through some of the craziest twists and turns, some of the smoothest pavement. It is going to be an epic ride that you do not want to miss. Right now I'm just chilling with a cup of coffee and getting the car washed because that drive from Bangkok to Chiang Mai yesterday made the car super filthy, bug splatter all over the front and the windshield. The car definitely needed to be cleaned. I asked them how much to wash the car. They said 100 baht, which is basically $3.10. Nuts. Alright fellas, back on the road now. So like I said, the reason why I'm in the northern part of Thailand is to do what's called the Mae Hong Son Loop. It's a 700 kilometer loop through the northern mountains of Thailand, starting in Chiang Mai. And I just left the city of Chiang Mai and we're about to head on the main route, which is Route 1095, which is gonna be the most epic drive ever, man. I'm super hyped about this. Going to Pai, baby. Turning left onto Route 1095 right now. And this route's gonna take us all the way to Pai. Starting from here, according to my GPS, it says it's going to be 95 kilometers until we reach our destination. So I'm expecting it to be about 90 to 95 kilometers of ridiculous twisties and turns. And you guys are coming along for the ride. So let's go. Look at the mountains in the background. So beautiful. And the weather is perfect. If you're a car guy that loves driving twisty canyon roads, then this is the road for you. For me, I'm in heaven right now. This is incredible. I forgot to mention that the first leg of this loop, going from Chiang Mai to Pai, has a total of 762 turns. That is absolutely mental. Woo! Jesus. Look at this elevation change. I'm in a low gear right now. Really steep climb. I'm trying to record with one hand as well while driving this. Woo! Anyways, that's enough talking from me. I'm gonna let the car do the talking for the next few minutes. So enjoy this video clip. my goodness, guys, check out this turn. I had to pull over real quick and get some photos at this turn. This turn is ridiculous. Check out the bend on this thing. Fortunately, I'm stuck behind a slow truck right now. I haven't gone out of third gear this entire route. It's all second and third gear. Most epic road I've ever driven on in my life. Pai, Thailand, and I have to say, hands down, that was the most amazing drive I've ever done in my entire life. Over 760 turns, spanning over 120 kilometers. Incredible, man. You guys saw it in the video. It did get a little dark towards the end because I stopped a lot to take photos of the car, the roads, and to set up the GoPro and stuff. But other than that, shout out to the Zafiro, man. The Zafiro has performed flawlessly this entire trip. It's running smooth, strong, running like a champ. But check out this hotel though. I booked it for 700 baht a night, which comes out to about 20 or 21 US dollars, which is an incredible value. It's huge, clean, has air conditioning, strong Wi-Fi, really nice room for the price. I don't know if it's because of the whole thing, there's no tourists, but this is a really nice room. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because we're just getting started on this Northern Thailand road trip. I have a lot more videos coming that you don't wanna miss. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.